Hello BCSD third graders, it's Mrs. Whitman here with another math task explanation. I'm going to be working on day 12. Let's get started. Chris and Katie each received 4 smile stickers a week for 3 weeks. How many smile stickers did they earn altogether? Okay, there's a lot of information that I need to digest here. Namely, there's 2 people involved in this problem, and both receive the same amount of smile stickers each week. 4 smile stickers a week for 3 weeks. Okay, the reason, sorry, that's my daughter. She likes to contribute to my YouTube videos. We're going to try something called a pattern table for illustrating this math task. And I'm going to make a pattern table for Chris, and I'll do the math for Chris in blue. And then I'm going to make a pattern table for Katie, and I'll do her math in green. Okay, a pattern table is a really nice way to see the patterns of multiplication emerge as you work on the math. So, I know that they're both working for 3 weeks altogether. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. They both work for 3 weeks. And for every week that they work, they're both getting 4 stickers. So after 1 week, Chris has 4 stickers. After 2 weeks, now I just add another 4. He has 8 stickers. And then after 3 weeks, he'll have 12 stickers. Okay? Now for Katie, I'm going to do the same thing because they both earn the same amount of stickers. And they both do it for 3 weeks. Okay, so now I can clearly see how after 3 weeks, Chris has 12 stickers and Katie has 12 stickers. So now, to get my final answer, all I need to do to see how many smile stickers they earn all together, all I have to do is add 12 plus 12, which is 24. They earn 24 stickers all together. It's always really nice to just include a wrap-up sentence to show or explain the math that you did so that your answer is stated in words as well as with a strategy that you're doing to solve the math problem. Okay. I wanted to just mention a couple of things about the next page. They're illustrating the associative property. I talked a little bit about this in my last video, day 11. I'm sorry, not in the day 11 video, in my most recent math fact fluency video. That's where you can find some more information about the associative property. And I also show it in my day 10 video with the math page that was kind of like the quiz for the 2 weeks of math that you did before that. So if you're interested, you can look at my day 10 video for more information about the associative property. What I wanted to point out down here is that it says use parentheses to group 2 factors, then find each product. So I could put the parentheses anywhere for this. I could put it right here, around the 5 and the 2 if I want. Or I could do it around the 2 and the 3. That's the cool thing about the associative property is it states that no matter which way you group your numbers, the factors, you're going to get the same answer. So the product does not change. So feel free to put the parentheses around the number however you want. And I'll just finish this out for you. So 2 times 3 is 6. Now I just have 5 times 6 left. I can use any multiplication strategy that I know to solve for 5 times 6 equals 30. Now down where it says find each missing number, this is really what I wanted to point out. Remember, when you have a missing factor problem, another way to solve a missing factor problem is with division. Now, I know it may look scary because all of a sudden you have 1, 2, 3 factors, so you might be thinking, oh my gosh, what do I do? Well, don't panic. Just do your 5 times 2 first, which gives you 10. Now you just have 10 times something equals 80. And like I said, a missing factor problem is really just a division problem. So I can rewrite it like this: 80 divided by 10 equals something. And I can use any division strategy that I have in my back pocket to solve for that. But you may be able to look at this and just know that 10 times 8 equals 80, because maybe you know the tens trick of just adding a 0 behind the other number that you're multiplying by 10. If that's the case, just go ahead and fill it right in. If you need to do the division to figure out your answer, go ahead. Whatever you need to do to solve, that's what you need to do. And don't be afraid to get out another piece of scratch paper so that you have plenty of room to do whatever strategies you need to do, such as repeated subtraction or equal sharing for division or dividing on the number line. That's the beauty of math, is you can solve the same problem in lots of different ways. So that's all from Mrs. Whitman today. I will be back with another video shortly.